Over the last few weeks, I've been having a lot of conversations with women, and it's been eye and heart-opening experience. We're in a season of change, a time when the world is asking a hell of a lot from each of us. That's why we at WREN, the Women's Real Estate Network, took a breath and asked ourselves, how can we best serve women real estate investors? Acknowledge the roller coaster of emotions that we've been on, the new stresses that we're under. Let's face it, if our head isn't in the game, our business reflects that. So we've rebranded our upcoming event to Ignite the Unconference. Why the Unconference? Because it's not going to be like other real estate business conferences. We want to meet women where they're at. Start our days learning strategies to improve our mindset, some meditation, some movement. We've engaged an event technology company that promises to give us more connectivity before and during the event. And we'll hear from amazing women real estate entrepreneurs that'll share their expertise with us and their motivation. And let's laugh. We'll end day one with a pajama networking party. It's the Unconference, not to follow the norm of virtual conference delivery. Yep, that's more like us. Join us for 2 days, October 10th and 11th at Ignite the Unconference. We believe that every woman is capable of achieving brilliant things, but you can't do it alone. It's our hope that all the work we're doing will contribute to giving you more opportunities to connect with each other. Because one thing we know for sure, and that is when we are connected, the possibilities are endless. So join us now. Click below.